Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's video, I will show you how you can fix the camera app problem in your device OPPO A15. So if in this device, if you are having any problem related to the camera app, like your camera app is not working or any other camera related issue, you can fix it by following the few steps and tricks as I will show you. So before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the neat video, and you will learn how you can fix the camera app problem in your device OPPO A15. Let's watch the video.